bus right now, and we started our journey from Indore to Baroda. And yeah, it's a sleeper bus, and I'm on the ground floor. Okay guys, I've finally reached my hotel in Baroda. So I just arrived at I think 5 a.m. in the morning and got an auto rickshaw and came to the hotel. The hotel was just 10 minutes away from the local bus stand, that is the Amit Nagar circle. And yeah, I'll show you the entire hotel room, and it's beautiful. It's inside, the hotel is inside a shopping mall, and there's a bus stand just besides, and it's beautiful. Stay tuned for the tour. This is the shopping mall or the eatery that I was talking about. There are a lot of food stalls and a bus terminal that goes directly straight besides our hotel. So, yeah, this is how it is. So I'll grab something to eat and then I'll go and sit in the bus to Kevadia, which connects to Chhatrapati. So we're in the bus. Do you have any thoughts about this?
Very nice, good, on time. Let's see further what happens.
How clean is the bus?
It's okay. Okay. Somehow manageable.
How long will it take?
I think so. It is about 1.5 or 2 hours. Okay, might take.
Are you excited?
Very much.
Yay. standing at the Statue of Unity, and the ticket counter had a long queue. After which we came inside, and now we are going towards the viewpoint of the statue. You can see the statue there. Now we are inside the museum, and this museum has all the important information about the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel statue and his history.
A man on a mission, Sardar Patel galvanized thousands of Gujarati farmers to offer non-violent resistance to the unjust revenue demands of the British. So we have come to the end of this vlog of Statue of Unity. I have completed my trip there and I'm just back at the hotel. It's around 8:30 p.m. and it was an adventurous day. There is a lot that you can do at the Statue of Unity, and I've listed it all down along with all the details that are necessary. So it's very tiring and you have to walk a lot, but the transportation is great and the food and the water supply is there all through, so I really liked it. So I would definitely rate this a 4 on 5 for you to go and check this out. In case you're planning a trip, you should definitely, because it's the world's tallest statue at 182 meters of height. So yeah, kudos. And now I'll get going and find some street food or just chill at the hotel. Bye. Subscribe to my channel.